Confluence template for the retrospective play is a simple framework for capturing and sharing the insights generated during a retrospective play. To get started, access the Confluence template using the link provided on the Atlassian Team Playbook website. Click on the Use Template button and select your site. The instructions for the retrospective play also include templates for Trello, Mural, and Miro, and more. But in this video, we will focus on the Confluence template. Reserve session time for group discussion and fill out the background section of the template before you run the play. This context will help keep discussions focused on the work, period of time, and team members involved. Below the blue box, capture your team's Start Doing, Stop Doing, and Keep Doing items. These lists are made during the What Went Well exercise and the What We Couldn't Do Better exercise. The exercises should be time-boxed so that the team has just enough time to share ideas, but not so much time that you're tempted to go down rabbit holes. Pro tip: one way to customize this template is to let your team members interact with the template in real time. For example, team members can use check marks, emojis, and add their initials to mark contributions that they agree with, or to vote on prioritization. What's next? Directly below the table, document any next steps so that your team can apply lessons learned from the session. Assign a team member and deadline to each action item and link to any relevant Confluence pages for reference. Congrats on wrapping up your retrospective. This is now a living document that can be referred to for future projects.